Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to share with you a video on a couple of new recent projects I've added to my van. The first is a brand new ladder that I've installed. A couple of the criteria that I sought out in choosing my ladder, I wanted it to be lightweight, so I wanted an all aluminum ladder. I wanted a ladder that did not have to be drilled into the van body itself, so I wanted it to be able to be removed and hung very easily without modifying the structure of the van. And I wanted it to be relatively inexpensive. This ladder from Prime Design met all those criteria. I think I paid about $450 for it. So if you're in the market for a ladder, I'd give this one a look. Relatively inexpensive, very easy to hang and install, and the quality seems to be really pretty nice. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. I also wanted to show you quickly that I did install some runners on my van. The kit came with a runner for the passenger side as well as for the driver's side. The installation was a little more complex, but it hangs from the body of the van. I did get these from realtruck.com, and I think I paid about $350 for them. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to write me below, and I'll do my best to answer. Have a great day. Bye now.